Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you see in the title and thumbnail, today I had accepted a challenge which I want to complete a realistic drawing within 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second. When I am accepting this challenge, I literally feels it is impossible to complete a realistic drawing within 1 hour and 1 minute and 1 seconds for me, because my average time to complete a realistic portrait is nearly 5.5 hours. So I felt it is impossible. But I had already drawn a rough outline for this drawing, but I didn't mark up any details in this drawing. So one of our YouTube family member had requested me to accept this challenge in Instagram. So I had came up with this challenge, and one of our YouTube family member had asked me to draw Justin Bieber in the comment section of previous video. So I'm drawing his portrait along with this challenge. Hope you guys like this video. Please support me, friends. Leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos, or if you are having any challenges like this. Friends, I also so bored without these giveaways, so please stay tuned and stay subscribed, so the next giveaway will be coming soon. When I'm doing this artwork, I'm very tired and my fingers are start paining. So I'm not going to nominate any other persons furtherly, because it is being very tough to do. I had seen a lot of guys who are taking the 10 hours, 10 minutes and 10 seconds challenge in the YouTube, but it is also a tough challenge because your fingers will start paining after some hours, because you can't do it straight for 10 hours. I'm having only 15 minutes more, but I want to draw hairs and hand. So the hairs and hands is not going to be much realistic, but this is what I can do within 1 hour. Because 1 hour is not sufficient to complete a realistic portrait. If you want to take this challenge, you could take it and try it out. But I'm not going to nominate anyone furtherly. So I'm came to an end. This drawing is going to be completed. I had completed this drawing. He is Justin Bieber, and I'm not satisfied with this art as a realistic art, but within this time this is incredible, because I had never done any drawing this much realistic within 1 hour. So I had been satisfied with this art. So leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos, or if you have any challenges like this which you want me to accept these challenges. And then if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. Thanks for watching.